Hello, welcome to Blossom Kitchen, where we cook local food with a twist for tasty and healthy meals. Today, I will show you how I enrich my noodles with nutritious vegetables. And trust me, the outcome is irresistibly delicious. I know you love quick meals. You can also make them tasty and healthy. If you would like to know how I made noodles a mouth-watering delight, grab your apron and let's get to the kitchen. Alright, here is everything we need today for this recipe. Carrots, packed with vitamin A for healthy skin and eyes. Red and yellow peppers, full of vitamin C, which is great for boosting your immune system. Habanero peppers, for that spicy kick, plus they are great for boosting metabolism. Scent leaves, an incredible herb with anti-inflammatory benefit that helps with digestion. Meat, for your proteins. I also have here green beans, rich in fiber and essential vitamins. They are perfect for digestion. And of course, cabbage, a powerhouse of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin K. And here come the noodles that we are using today. I'm using Indomie Noodles. 2 packs, 70 grams each, making a total of 140 grams. I also have onions with spring onions, though not listed here. As I prep the ingredients, let me share something personal with you. Whenever I make this dish, I notice something amazing. After eating, I sleep like a baby. The combination of these veggies is not only delicious but has a calming effect on my body. It's a perfect meal to help relieve stress after a long day, so you can use it for your dinner. And here I have a rundown of all the ingredients fully prepared and ready for cooking. We start the cooking now. I start by putting the green beans on the fire. I'll cook for about 2 minutes because it takes longer time to cook before bringing in the other ingredients. So after 2 minutes, I'll bring in the other ingredient. This is the noodle sweetener and the chili pepper that came with it. I used just 1.5 sachet. Then I come in with my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. So I stir very well and introduce the scent leaf, the carrot, the bell pepper, red and yellow, and onions, then the cabbage. So I gently stir everything together for the sweetener to incorporate before bringing in my noodles. So I'm cooking it this way because noodles take just short time to cook. So I bring in water now, and the water is at the level of the ingredient. Take note before I introduce the noodles. Don't pour water after introducing the noodles. The reason is you may be tempted to add too much water. So I gently press the noodles. You can see that I cut the noodles just like into 4. If you like to pieces it, that depends on you. Some people prefer to cook the noodles whole. How do you like your own? Look at this yummy goodness. I love cooking my noodles this way. How about you? And here we go. Indomie noodles with assorted veggies. I promise you, not only does it taste amazing, but it's packed with nutrients that make it a powerhouse for your health. I feel energized after a meal like this, and it really helps me unwind. The scent leaves, onions, and peppers give it this perfect balance of calming flavors that help reduce stress. I sleep soundly, and I know you will too after trying this recipe. Time to eat. I almost forgot to showcase how I ate this delicious meal. In any case, let me just show you. I'm almost finishing it. It's yummy. It's delicious. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.